Welcome to my new video of unboxing Noir Gear Timeless. This is a good keyboard that can be used for gaming and also for work. It has 3 connection types: Bluetooth, USB Type-C cable, and USB receiver on the bottom part of the keyboard. Let's unbox it together. These are the accessories that come with it. Let's hear the audio. Let's do another typing test. It works good. I recommend getting this for casual, work, and also gaming. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video.